Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create password protected PDF file in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to protect this document as a PDF. Password, firstly go to the file menu and click the export option. Then we can see here loading the preview. Now we can see here the PDF preview. You can change the format. Now I am select the drop down menu and choose the PDF format. Then go to sum down to this option and we can see here the required password for modification and printing. Now I am select this, check mark this option and select the permission. Write your password. Now I am write my password. Then we can see here the allow document printing or allow content modification or enable copying of content. Now I am select export and wait some moment. We can see here show the file location when we save the file. Then write your file name. Then select save option and wait some moment to export this item. Then go to our file and open the PDF. We can see here the PDF file. Then double click to this PDF to open. You can open this PDF using any software or your browser. Now I am use my software. Now we can see we save a PDF password protected very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.